Alright, so we're going to make the PDFs for our course. So aistudio.google, and we're going to be using the links, the sales documents. So I'll put in these sales documents, and these are training websites. So we have these here. These are sites that are in our funnel. So if we go to Team Training Stops, so sites, funnels, Team Training Stops. Then we have them in here. So follow up, that's golden follow up. Objections, the closer framework. Okay, so we got different trainings here. So we can use the code. We can just get the code directly from within the Growth Monster app. Okay, and then we're just gonna upload our assets. So basically for all this, we're gonna be using foundation stock. Gonna use brand guide. Okay. So branding guide. Template. Okay, need a team one. And marketing links. Okay, marketing links. So that one. Alright, and then these trainings. So this one. Alright, so adding in our training. And now we can add in this URL. We can add in the code from the URL. Now, run that. And we just make sure we put the grounding with Google search and the URL context. Alright, so the output was in multiple HTMLs, so I just had to re-prompt that I wanted a single HTML code output. Alright, so I just had to make sure that the output was in that single HTML. It said that it did it, but then nothing, so I had to write again, show the HTML code, and then it did this. And so let's see what it created. So this is what it created. And let's see, does it look good? Looks okay. But let's see how else. Okay, so the spacing up on the top. Alright, so I just had a check, I saw styling that I wanted to improve, and I'm just instructing it like I would a human. So what I'm seeing is up here, the spacing up on the top there is not enough. Besides that, it looked alright. The other thing that we probably want to do is put in our calendar link, or an ability for people to contact us. Alright, so the output on this one looked better, but the front page a little bit closer up on there. And we don't have a calendar link. Alright, again, just instruct it like a human. Alright, output, let's download, check it. Cool, let's see how that looks. Didn't fix that paging there. Okay, so and Let's run it again. So just trying to make it more streamlined, this document. Not happy with the title page. I mean the cover page. Maybe we could do something there. And I'm getting an image. On Studio, we can generate media. And okay, image that we want. Let's create a simple image. Cool. Alright, export to Drive. We can download that. We can put that image on. Save that image. Upload that image. And link this image. Add the image on. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Oh, cool. Let's see if now the updated one, the image makes it better. Alright, so and you just got to keep on checking and prompting just like a human until you get it right. And then once we get it right, you can delete all these other ones that we're not using just so you're not getting confused. Alright, so this is the newest output. Just check. Okay, cool. So title page now. Cool, that's on that page. and fixed up the spacing. Spacing looks good. Cool. Alright, so now we've done it, you can save it. And then we're also going to upload that. Lead magnets. And then we're just going to save the last code that we downloaded. That's lead magnet. So this code, rename. Okay, and then these other ones I don't need. Delete them. And there we go. Those are our 3 assets that were created. So then that golden follow-up can be added into the course where we talk about the golden follow-ups. So that's how we can create these PDF assets from our training and our websites. But you could create the training documents from the PDFs or from the website. So this can go in any way. You can create a website from the PDF, or you can create a PDF from the website. You can create lead magnet from PDF. You can create lead magnet from the website. So yeah, that goes all way. You just depending on how you're prompting.